What are your two biggest wishes? This year, my biggest two wishes are to take over the world and in 1 year no school, on academy and no academy. Because if I take over the world, I can anything. And 1 year no school, no academy, I can play all day. First, take over the world. For example, when I take over the world, I can do anything. Like I can travel and always every day. Second, 1 year no school, no academy. For example, when I don't go to school academy, I can play always, and I can use my phone every day. Last, I can relax every day. So I won't take over the world, and in 1 year, I don't have school academy. Thanks for listening my presentation.